Which term best defines the word refrain as it is used in paragraph 2 of the passage? A. Constrain, B. Retain, C. Abstain, or D. Moderate. Let's begin by locating the context in which refrain is used in paragraph 2. We see it in the middle of the paragraph. Plenty of eating spots ask patrons to refrain from using their phones, but Gold believes his contemporary restaurant is the first to dangle a discount. As the entire passage focuses on restaurants trying to get diners to stop using their phones, if plenty of eating spots are asking patrons to refrain from using their phones, we can understand that they're asking diners to not use their phones in the restaurant. Based on this, we can see that of our choices, abstain, meaning to hold back from, best matches our definition. Going through our other choices, we can see that constrain, meaning to hold back, doesn't fit our context, nor does retain, meaning to hold on to. Moderate doesn't fit this sentence in any context, and therefore we can stick with our original answer, C, abstain.